Hey guys, Greg with Collectiv here, and I have a simple question for you today. And that question is, what are you doing in your organization with data analytics? Or simply put, how are you using data analytics in your organization? So a challenge I might provide you with that question is, I challenge you to start using data analytics more and really using data to drive business decisions and drive results inside your organization. So one of the tools that we always promote is Power BI. So we're huge advocates of Power BI. We help organizations, really gain insights with their data through that product. However, I'm just going to challenge you guys to use any tool, whether that's Excel, whether that's, God forbid me say Tableau. I challenge you to use some type of tool, because I think we can all agree that with this pandemic that is currently going on, data is now more important than ever to really understand how our organization is performing and then how we can actually improve upon those inefficiencies. And the way we do that is by harnessing the data at hand, whether that's financial data, sales data, operational, where's our inventory at, taking that information, pulling it into some type of a tool that allows us to see trends, uncover insights. So again, guys, I challenge you to start using or start investigating how your organization can use data analytics to improve its efficiency. So with that said, I'm curious to hear what you guys are currently doing. So I'd love to hear your comments in the chat, what tool you're using or what you're looking at trying to use, and what you are using data for inside of your organization to drive performance. So stay tuned for more videos like this one, guys. Thanks a lot.